it's March 27. I would like to show you available studio type room ready to pantindahan and also parking that's available. This is a temporary car that's parked here, but ito talaga yung parking area para dito sa studio type room na ito. Itong studio type room na ito used to be a store. They had to transfer elsewhere, so available na siya. Meron tayong dalawang doors for the same room. Ayan, ito pa yung mga cabinets. Ito, hindi kasama itong mga things na yan. Meron ditong mesa na merong built-in na saksakan. Meron rin tayo ditong aircon. Itong part nito, nagfo-fold yan na pwede mo yung upuan. Ito yung kanyang kutsyon. So, dito sa ilalim nito is another set of built-in saksakan. Ito, ang kanyang restroom. Meron siyang sariling restroom. Meron din na hot and cold shower. Ang water system natin dito is same with the others. Piece of water. Na-accept niyan is 5, 10, and 20 peso coins. So 1 peso is 1 million. Dito, sa likod niya is meron siya sariling kitchen. Ayan. Palalagyan ko na ng faucet dyan. May faucet naman talaga yan. Ito yung fire escape niya. Fire escape. Ayan, malaki. Malaki ito. Ito yung kitchen area. Pwede maglagay dito ng ref. Diba? Or washing machine dito. Washing machine dito. Kasi nandiyan ang drainage. Malaki ito. Ayan. Another view. From another angle. Ayan. Pwedeng gawing ano to. Pwedeng gawing either kwarto or pwedeng gawing tindahan. So may CCTV rin dyan. Pero if you don't need it, I can take that out. This is our studio type room that's currently up for grabs. So don't wait for long. You can get this while this is still available. See you!